So something I don't think I mentioned yet on this channel is there's a gravestone. There's a grave on our property. The people who built our house, we believe it's their child. Before there wasn't a cemetery in town before this house was built, and so this rock here, that rock, that's the gravestone. The parents, the people who built the house, the cemetery was established later, and they're buried here. They're buried there, and some of the other children are buried in other cemeteries around town in the state. But yeah, so before the cemetery was built, they buried their child here, and I just noticed there's one of these pink ribbons there, right over the gravestone. I'm having a little panic attack. I don't know what to do. I called the archaeologist several times. I haven't heard back. She said she was busy, I understand, but I don't know, I'm running out of time. So that's not the only, here's the walkway up to the old outhouse. This here is my favorite tree. It's just, I always just imagine my kids playing in there, and they do. You can see how thin it is after they've been cutting it now. If you've seen the older videos or if I posted, but yeah. There's another ribbon right here. Right over my rock wall. Right over the rock wall. Just insane. Just disgusting. Just totally disgusted right now. Oh. I don't know if there's anything else going on here. You can see there. That yellow that's through there. It's the excavator. Oh, here's another. Is it? Oh no, it's not another ribbon. You don't see any other ribbons. Yeah, I don't know. I can see yeah, so I don't know, I'm just like beside myself right now. I just feel really sick. Just feel really sick right now. There's a ribbon there. It's the same one I just showed you. Just beautiful forest. It's beautiful forest. Here's the gravestone and the ribbon back there. I don't know what else is back there. I don't know what other, they walked in there. I didn't see them, but my husband and son saw them the other day. Oh, today's Labor Day. I'm just nervous for tomorrow. I just want no one belongs here. Only the forest. I could see a ribbon in there. Oh God. Where is it? Oh man, that is so sick. There it is. I'm gonna throw up. Oh. This brush here is a rock wall behind it, and in this rock wall, this area, the rock wall opens. Oh my God, there's another ribbon there. What the fuck? I'm so sorry. Where is it? Can you see it? Oh man. Yeah, there it is, right over. Oh man. I could see ribbons all in there. Oh no. There's one one right there, right where my finger is. And right on the other side of that tree, there's another one. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh no. Oh no. Well, that's all the ones I see right now. But yeah, over the gravestone, that's getting me super nervous. I mean, all of this is getting me super nervous. Like this. Our beautiful forest. It keeps us safe. It makes us feel so safe and protected.